You know what? I want you to come home early today, okay? I love you.
I love you more.
Don't forget to come early, okay?
Oh my God.
You know your boss? They're always waiting for you.
I'll do justice to that. I love you.
I love you, honey. Don't forget
I must
to come
be going.
early, okay? Alright, dear. Open the door.
Jones,
Jerry.
do you know that God works in his mysterious ways?
True.
Looking at where we started and how far the good Lord has brought us, in fact, it's beyond measures.
Myself, I was highly surprised. I was just thinking, like, how could this company give this contract to us? Wow.
It need not to be surprised because in everything, Almighty God is always in good position. And with Almighty God, our company is grooming bigger and bigger.
Yes.
Do you know what really baffles me most?
Tell me.
We get good clients to work with. Considering our driver licenses, wherever we go to a license office, they give us, good reception. So our customers are always okay, coming, looking for driver license, coming, learn how to drive. It's perfect here.
Yes. That's very true.
We are the best among the rest.
Yes.
Nobody can compete us.
No.
Absolutely.
Initially, I was just surprised, like, why they would select us to
I want you to come home early today, okay? Because I want us to have cooperation.
Jerry!
Sorry.
Man, what's up?
Nothing much. I'm okay. I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Of course, yes. I'm 100% okay.
Then I'll have to leave and complete my work.
Okay.
Then. Right, so I'll join you soon.
I hear you.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Hey man.
Jones, you are back again.
I forgot. Today is Lisa's birthday and we are attending together.
I'm not sure. And moreover, you know, I'm not in good terms with her, so I can't make it up.
Jerry, the fact that you both couldn't marry doesn't mean you are enemies. We are going together tonight, so get prepared. Case closed. Final.
No, I don't think I can make it up.
Are you alright?
Jones, why will I be alright? You know very well you had the opportunity to go home, shower. You are well dressed. I'm still in office wear.
No, Jerry, you were the one that decided to stay long at the office. You had enough chance to go home and change. And after all, today is a day. Let's make her feel happy. Let's feel joy. It's a day, so chill up, man.
My wife is in house calling me, and this is about the 6th or 7th time that I'm not able to pick up her call. So what do you expect me to do?
Just try your best and give it an excuse, a tangible one.
I can't lie.
Let's have fun.
She's calling again. She's calling again. What's all this?
You see, we'll finally go home, so you just relax.
What time?
Relax.
The number you called has not answered. Please call back later.
Today is a day. Let's keep holding.
Hi guys. Oh, I'm so sorry for keeping you guys waiting. I hope you guys are having fun.
Yes.
Alright.
No way, like, here is boring and no music.
I'm sorry, okay? Our DJ will be in very soon, okay? I'm sorry, so please feel free. But before that, our birthday girl will be arriving soon. I mean, she'll be joining us very soon.
Very soon.
Very soon, okay, so.
The number you called has not answered. Please call back later.
So guys, here comes our birthday girl. Lisa baby, are you coming?
Yes, darling.
Please, we are waiting.
Your account,
Wow.
Wow. Oh, nice.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
Welcome. Thanks for coming.
You're most welcome.
Okay, so guys, this is our beautiful queen for the night. Please, can you guys help me sing a birthday song for her? Okay, so on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Oh my god!
How old are you now? How old are you now?
Okay, I am 6. Yes.
Oh my god, she's so funny. So, okay, let's see.
What's wrong with him? Where could he be? It's 12 o'clock now. Okay, let me call Jones.
You are calling is currently switched off. Please try later. The MTN number you are calling is currently switched off. Please try later.
We have a champagne here.
More drinks.
Blue. So, please do us the honor, please. Alright, so.
Okay, he will also do us the honor.
No, you do that for me.
No.
I'll be very grateful if you do that.
Okay, sure. Why not?
Okay.
So,
Cheers to greatness,
Long life.
prosperity.
More favor.
Hello. More favor from here.
More favor.
More favor.
Amen.
More money.
Amen. The money there is supposed to come plenty.
Okay. Are we we partner together?
Yes, I'll be very grateful if we do that together.
Wow.
Birthday girl.
Yes, birthday girl first. Birthday girl first.
No, maybe it's the network. Try again.
The number you are calling is currently switched off. Please try later. The MTN number you are calling is currently switched off. Please try later.
What's wrong with him? Do I do? God. My husband, okay? God, please take away from me.
No life, more money, more grace. No, I assure you.
This my security.
Hey, madam.
Oh my God.
Madam.
I think it's time he should go back to his post.
No, it's okay. This is my happiest day, you know.
He's supposed to enjoy.
After I have fun, Takara.
Okay, guys. Hope you are having fun, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi guys. I'm sorry, but I have to leave you guys. Yeah, I have an early tomorrow morning.
So soon.
I have to meet a client, business. So, hi. Alright, bye. Bye.
Okay.
You. Bye. Bye guys. Bye. Alright, I'll call you, okay?
Alright. So, guys, just have fun, okay?
No, hello.
My girls are coming.
Hey, sorry, madam. Please, madam, someone is at the gate.
Oh, okay. I think some of the girls. Yeah.
They are coming.
Hey!
Lisa! Lisa! No. My wife. Why should? Lisa. sorry. But I can explain.
You were stuck in the office with Jones, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes, and because of that, you guys have to sleep at his house because it's near the office.
Yes, yes, you're right.
Jones called me and told me about it.
Oh, yes, he did.
Yes.
Wonderful. I see.
Come here, let me see.
Okay.
Honey, let me prepare your breakfast, okay? So that you don't get this moment, okay? Be fast. Be fast, okay?
Right. Jones. Jones called Shine.
Honey?
Hi.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Honey?
Yes.
Are you sure you're okay?
Babe, I'm fine.
Your face doesn't look like it.
Sunshine, I'm okay.
Okay. Darling.
Yeah.
Or is it sugary?
No. It's okay. The taste is perfect. Everything's okay.
Okay.
I think I'm done. I can now leave.
No, honey. I already took a sip.
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm full.
Oh no, darling, come on. Please.
No.
But sweetheart,
I'm okay.
please take it for me.
I beg you.
Honey, for me, okay? Take it. Good. That's my darling.
Thank you.
One more.
Oh, I'm okay. Please, let me go feel.
Hey, I don't want you to get hungry.
I'm okay. I'm okay.
You're okay. Honey.
I'm fine. Thank you. So, I might be going.
Darling. You've forgotten something.
Oh, sorry. Thank you.
Alright, dear.
Alright, babe.
Take care.
I love you.
I love you, honey.
My car, please. Yeah.
You dropped it on the center table.
Okay. Thank you.
Alright, darling. Okay. Oh, sweetheart. You barely touched this food.
Jones, I was confused when she told me.
Jerry, don't be confused. Have you forgotten your Jones? Jones the masterminder. Have you forgotten I was once the...
Oh my goodness, the smartest guy on campus.
Perfecto.
The brilliant man on campus at the time.
Elizato.
Guys! But believe me or not, you saved me totally.
Yes.
You saved me totally.
I had no other option than to save you. But I was just surprised how I got home the following day. Me myself, I still can't remember how I got home the following day, man.
I know definitely you'll be surprised. But believe me or not, I woke up to realize that I was lying on her bed. I didn't know what happened. I don't know.
Bed?
I'm telling you. On her bed. And lo and behold, too, she wasn't around. All the doors were unlocked.
Jerry, you see, there's no one around. So you just...
Cheers.
Cheers.
Great.
Just open up and let me know. Her bed.
Lo and behold, I realized that the boy sheet is like there were some struggles and a whole lot of things on the board. You can observe it that the bed sheet itself was tired. I don't know what happened. I was deeper than asleep or to realize it the next day.
Hey. I swear my party died town.
As in what? No, go ahead. As in what?
No. Like,
hey, I don't really know what really transpired during the night because I was drunk. You knew very well I was drunk. I don't know what happened.
Okay. Anyway, you made the moment, you made the night, and I really appreciate you allowing yourself to join me. Then we making her birthday a success. That was very nice, though.
The night was really great.
Very, very
and
great.
sweet.
Very, very great. But I'm doubting what you're saying.
Trust me.
Her
I
bed.
won't lie to you. I got up to realize. I won't even talk about it again.
But still underlined with on her bed.
On a bird.
Let me change the channel.
Yeah, this movie is boring.
I think today there's a program around 12 a.m.
Okay. Lisa, baby.
But do you have any gist for me?
I mean, last night was fun. Your birthday was superb. I had fun.
Oh yeah, and all thanks to you.
I know.
The brain master?
Of course, someone has to be.
The master plan?
I'm serious. It was fun. I had fun.
You know what? Yeah, it was fun, but some of my people disappointed me.
Oh.
Yeah, because they told me they would be coming in, that was all. Not even a call. They never showed up.
Anyways, it was fun. I had fun. I mean,
Oh yeah, sure myself. I was so happy because like it's been years I've not had something like that.
Lisa, baby. This reminds me.
What was it?
I saw this your ex. What's his name again? Is it Jonas? John?
Jerry?
Sherry? Did you
Yeah.
invite him?
Hell no. I was even surprised when I saw him. Yeah.
Are you sure?
Very sure. Why would I hide something like that from you?
Okay. Well, if you say so. Well, I hope nothing happened after I left, right?
Please. Let's just talk about something else, okay?
Lisa, tell me. I hope nothing happened.
Oh, I said let's talk about something else.
Okay.
Okay, you know what? Let's just go to the kitchen. I wanted to go somewhere, but I've changed my mind.
Alright, say so. Okay? If you don't want to tell me what happened, I believe you. Let's go.
So how is your guy?
Oh, my guy
is
Hey, you.
What? How can I find myself on Lisa's bed? I don't understand. Was it a planting or what? I don't know what to do. Oh, God have mercy. Ever since I observed this, I've not been of myself at all. It keeps on haunting me. I don't know. God of mercy.
Honey?
Yeah, honey.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine, sunshine.
Honey?
Yes.
What's eating you up? It's past 1 and you're still awake.
Yes, you're right. I've been thinking so much. Looking at my work schedules, of late I don't get time for you. I feel very bad about it. The love that we used to share, the time we have for each other. Due to the nature of my job, I can't be doing them anymore. So my guilty conscience is killing me. So I'm thinking of how I can amend certain things so that our love will still bind together as we used to do.
Darling, it is why you're so worried.
Of course, I need to be worried.
Honey.
Yes.
Listen. I don't have a problem, okay? I'm okay with the job you are doing. Besides, you know I'm jobless, right? And you're the one who put something on the table. Listen, I'm okay, okay? Honey, I'm okay.
As long as I'm the breadwinner of this house doesn't permit me not to have time for you. So henceforth, things will have to change.
I appreciate the little time you have for me.
Come on. We don't have time for love. Rush is all over my manhood. I don't know why.
You see, I'm not a doctor, but pay the things you are saying, the issues you are laying down, I perfectly know you've contacted an STI. Though I'm not a doctor, but well,
Likewise me. But I do remember I've not having an affair or I've not gotten an affair with any lady aside my wife. So I'm surprised.
But have you asked your wife if she's having she's having an infection of late? Well, you could ask her to see, maybe. I'm not saying your wife is doing anything, but maybe you should ask her to see if...
I know where the whole thing is all about and where it's coming from.
Oh, wow. You are still wondering about...
I am suspecting Lisa.
Hey, man. Man, I'm pleading with you. Let sleeping dogs lie. Please, let sleeping dogs lie. Leave Lisa out of this and leave her alone. Me, I'll just advise you. It's either you just call your family doctor to check up on you than apportioning blames on innocent people. Please.
All right. When we get there, we'll see what we'll do.
All right, okay, fine.
Lisa! I'm waiting for the surprise! Surprise. What kind of surprise could it be? Surprise. Lisa! Yes, baby. Surprise. Surprise. I hope it's a good one. Who's the surprise? What? Lisa! Oh my goodness. Lisa, you're pregnant.
Yeah, I'm pregnant.
Oh my goodness! You're pregnant?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness! I'm going to be an aunt! Oh my god! This is such a good news, Lisa! You are pregnant. And you haven't even introduced a boyfriend to me, Lisa. Lisa, why? You don't seem happy.
Oh, I'm happy. Of course, I'm happy.
It's good news. You should be happy.
Yeah, I'm happy for myself, you know.
Okay, so who's the lucky guy? Who's responsible?
Jerry.
Excuse me. What? Jerry, your ex-boyfriend.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Lisa! Lisa! How can you get pregnant for your ex-boyfriend, Lisa? I mean, how come? I thought Jerry is married. Happily married. How come? How this happened?
When he attended my birthday party, and so you used to come for the birthday party. I said, do not talk to me. Yeah, a few friends came in later. Okay, hold on, I'll call you back.
What? What have you done, Lisa? So, you did this to Jerry? I mean, is he aware you did this with him?
No.
Oh my God.
And I left home very early the next morning, so he would suspect. And I've not even called nor texted. So now.
So, how do you plan to inform him? How do you tell him?
Girl, you need to help me. Help me with this.
Just let me think about it. I need time to process this whole thing. I can't believe you did this, Lisa. Okay, so now that you are 3 weeks gone, call him. Yeah, call him up and meet up with him. And explain things to him face to face.
Jerry?
Yeah.
You know my Jerry. He'll kill me. You think maybe I just want to destroy his marriage or something.
Lisa,
so I can't, please.
Let me be honest with you. I would kill you if I was in his shoes. In fact, anybody would. Why would you do that to him?
I'll try.
Alright.
I'll try.
So, I'll take my leave. I can't believe you actually did this. Call me if anything, okay? Alright.
What? Lisa, you can't be serious. Is that your plan to ruin my marriage? Huh?
Oh, stop. I can explain.
Explain what? Oh my God. So you slept with me that very day?
Babe, don't be mad at me. You know, seeing you lying in my living room, I could not resist you. Please, you know how I have loved and cherished you. Hmm?
Don't tell me that trash, Lisa. You know very well we broke up for the past 5 good years. Now that I'm married, you are here to tell me this? Just to track me with your pregnancy? I'm telling you to never work. Now get out of my car.
Jerry, can go to hell.
Oh.
What's the meaning of that? So you expect me to leave you for another woman? Have you forgotten how you break my virginity? Really? Just prepare to be a father. I don't care.
Don't mean it.
Oh yes, that is the only answer you can give me. You planned this with Lisa and look at the result I have gotten. Huh?
Hey man, you are going too far. How can I plan this with Lisa?
Just don't tell me you never planned this with Lisa. I went there with you because you advised me to witness the birthday. But lo and behold, you left the place without me knowing you were leaving.
Excuse me. I don't even know how I got home. Why would you blame me?
Oh. Mr. Masterminded. You planned this from the scratch. Because I'm surprised the next day you call my wife to inform her I slept in your house.
Jerry.
You knew all that you were doing.
Jerry. Have you forgotten I saved your marriage?
As in what? Tell me.
Oh. So you now see me as a master planner, an old-time friend who is planning to end your marriage. Thank you. Thank you very much.
You don't need to thank me, but think about the results which has come over. I'm confused. I'm dead. What will be my what am I going to do? How am I going to disclose it to my wife? Knowing very well I love her so much. I hate the very day I visited the place.
You called me.
Yes, I called you. Why did you do that?
Do what?
Lisa, are you asking me what you did? You know it. Why did you do that?
So he reported me to you, right?
Lisa, see, let's be serious here. I was the one who invited him to your birthday party. And now he's blaming and accusing me of betraying him. Why would you do that?
Ooh. Okay, just let him know I'm pregnant. And he should be ready to take care of me and his baby. Period.
Lisa.
Why on earth will you tell me you are pregnant? You can't be serious. I don't remember sleeping with you two. Now, how am I going to disclose this to my wife? That my ex-girlfriend is carrying my baby? No. This can't be true. I can't buy this. Moreover, if it's even true, then I don't blame myself. I blame Jones. He caused it. He was brain behind everything. I told him I was not going to be part of the birthday party. He insisted. Look at what this rubbish birthday party has cost me. Oh my God, I'm dead. Then she needs to abort the baby. God have mercy upon me and forgive me all the sins I have committed. And save me from these problems and pressures and headache. In Jesus' mighty name. Amen.
Shine. So you still haven't forgotten this? Stop teasing me. Where is the bomb, huh? My dear, you have it now. I don't. Stop teasing me. Oh my God. Shine, you look amazing. Look at you. Wow. I'm so happy to see you. Come here.
You are glowing.
Thank you. I mean, you look amazing. Look at you. Shine, it's been a long time. I mean, how long has
It's been ages.
Ages! Oh. So, where are you going? Where are you coming from? Where are you going?
My dear, I went to get some groceries and my car broke down.
Oh, okay.
So I decided to walk.
Okay.
Hey! So what's up? Like, what are you doing around here?
I had a meeting with a client. So let's say I'm going to meet a client.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow!
It's
but
so
do you
good
stay
to
around?
see you again. No, I don't live here. I don't.
Okay. So where do you live now?
How about I get your number and I'll call you. Then I'll come to your house. I'll visit you. Is that okay?
That's nice.
Alright. So
Anyway. 0244
0244
20
Okay.
30
Okay.
40.
Alright.
Hey,
Oh
Sarah
my
the boom
goodness.
shaker.
I
didn't
didn't
change
see you. Come here.
Sarah,
Okay, I'll call you, okay?
do you know what? I'm shocked seeing you. You are glowing.
Thank you. You are like, I'm
back.
still like that. I'll call you, okay?
So I'll be expecting your
Alright. Oh my goodness. Sean. You look amazing. Thank you. I'll call you, okay? Oh my goodness. Shine. Shine, I must admit, you have a very beautiful home.
Thank you, girl.
And marriage looks good on you. Look at the way you are glowing.
God has been so faithful to me.
Of course, I can see. Sorry, I couldn't make it to your wedding. You know, I saw the invitation on our old school platform. But that was the same day I had to travel with Mom. That's why I couldn't make it. I'm sorry, okay?
It's not your fault, okay?
But girl, I saw your wedding pictures. From your gown to your hair and your makeup. You slayed.
God has been so faithful to me.
You were a beautiful bride. Seriously. Oh my God. Okay, excuse me, alright? That's me.
Alright, that's fine.
Oh.
Hey, hello, baby girl.
Hi, Lisa.
Yes.
How are you and the baby?
Oh, we are doing well. And you? Yeah, but you've forgotten about me. Hey, so why are you not visiting?
Come on, girl. Don't say that. Were you able to inform him?
Yes, I did.
Was he mad at you?
Very mad. Very, very mad, seriously. I was so scared. I've planned to forward the case to his wife, Gra.
What? Are you serious?
Yes, if he's not ready to take responsibility, why not? I'll do that.
Lisa, you can't do that. Do you want to ruin his marriage?
Because it's his right to do that. Take care of the baby.
Okay, you know what? I'm actually with a friend right now, so I'll call you immediately I leave here, okay?
Why? With your boyfriend or what?
Come on, don't be inquisitive. I'll call you later, okay? I'll call you back, alright?
Hey, this girl. Hey, where did you go? Oh, tell me.
Lisa, I'll call you. Relax, I'll call you, okay?
Alright. Okay, bye-bye. See you soon. Hey.
Shine. I'm sorry about that.
No problem.
She's a friend I met at the university, you know.
Don't worry. Girl, I overheard you saying something in conversation.
About what?
I overheard you saying something in conversation.
Oh, yeah. You know, girls, she has gotten herself involved with a married man who happens to be the ex. And now she's pregnant. And the guy doesn't want to accept his responsibilities because he's happily married. He doesn't want to ruin his marriage. Do you get me?
Girl, I'm lost here. You said the guy is her ex.
Yeah.
And the guy is married.
Yeah.
So how did they meet?
Oh yeah. They met at her birthday party. And you know the rest.
Oh man. My dear, they always be men.
My dear, I don't blame the guy. The guy is innocent here. My friend masterminded everything. I mean, she planned the whole thing.
You don't mean it.
Serious, she did. So the guy is innocent here. Let's not blame the innocent guy. Poor guy. Yeah. Okay. Girl, thank you for inviting me over. As usual, I'm busy. I have a very busy schedule after here, so.
Just now.
Yes. I'll come again soon. Let's do this again soon, okay? So, I'll come again.
No, you just sat down and just took the drink.
I know, but you know, I have to go and make money, alright? So, I'll call you, okay?
Anyway, thanks for the visit, okay?
Thank you for inviting me.
Oh, you didn't even let me take you around
Don't worry,
the house.
I'll come again, okay?
Wow.
Likewise, I'm also happy. I spend time with you.
You didn't go to work?
This is all about women. When a man goes to work and come home late, there's always an issue. When we go to work and come early too, there's still the same issue. So what else do you want we the men we should do?
Honey.
Hi.
You can never understand women. Yeah, that reminds me. Honey, can you believe that a woman is pregnant for her ex who is married? That's what my friend Sarah came here to tell me the other time she came here.
Are you wondering, or you are believing what your friend is talking about?
I'm telling you that. Can you believe this?
Why will I believe that?
But that's what Sarah came here to tell me about.
Wow. Like seriously?
In fact, I can't understand some women.
And the ex is also aware that the man is also married.
Honey, she's aware.
And she went ahead to get pregnant for the married man.
What even baffles me is that she's even having the audacity and has planned to go and inform the wife about it.
Should I use the word the man is so stupid and fool? To that extent? Sure, when you get married and you move on with your life, you need to neglect all those things.
Seriously?
Why should you even talk to your ex? Neither to have an affair with her. You shouldn't allow her to even get close to you, neither wherever you walk. This man should be crazy.
Honey, this is bad though.
Very, very bad indeed. I will not do such. You know I love you, baby.
That's why you're my honey. Honey, you know what? I'm very lucky having you.
Likewise, I'm also glad to have you, a beautiful, wonderful, sweet lady. That's why I'm always close to you.
You're flattering me.
Come on, I'm not flattering. I'm speaking the gospel truth.
Let me go and prepare something in the kitchen, okay?
Okay. Something of my
Yes, darling. Your
favorites.
Yeah.
Good.
Alright, then.
All right, baby. Hi, Jones. Jones, where are you? Jones, we need to meet right now. Just right now. Can you imagine? Shane was telling me a story which I don't understand. We need to meet, bro. We need to meet. All right, okay. Then let me put on something, just meet you over there. Thank you. This girl is trying to ruin my marriage.
Ruin your marriage? Ruin your marriage? Jerry, thank God your wife is not aware you are the main character in the story she told her. You'd have been doomed by now.
So what can we do? I mean, can't we kill her?
Jerry, what did you just say? Did you hear yourself? Are you a murderer? No, just imagine you being with your wife for the past 4 years and she hasn't given birth. And Lisa, your ex-girlfriend, being pregnant for you, you want to kill her? Come on, man. What you thinking?
Oh, I see. In other words, you are telling me my wife is a barren woman, right?
No.
That is what you're telling me.
No, that's what I'm saying. Excuse me for my words, but I don't mean that. You see, I'm not trying to hurt you with my words, but all that I want you to understand is, fine, Lisa is pregnant. Why don't you take after her secretly and adopt the child when he or she grows up, then take care of it. That's all.
How am I going to tell my wife? Tell me.
Yes, I get it. I get everything happening now. Just, I know your wife is an understanding woman. Just get time, sit her down, try to console her, speak to her heart to heart, and she's going to listen to you and forgive you. That's it. Don't be thinking aloud and acting strange. You're a man.
I've heard you, man. But I'm sorry for the killing I said.
No problem. A day you're back, I'm always with you. We're in this together. So chill, okay? Chill. It's fine, okay? Calm down.
So what did you bring? How did you bring for me? What did you want? Tell me.
So you didn't bring anything for
What
me?
do you want? Say it. After here, I'll take it to the supermarket.
I need some wine. You know I love wine.
In your condition?
Oh yeah, you don't have to, give the baby some wine to enjoy.
Girl, wine is not good for you.
Okay, so what's up about our previous conversation?
Girl, we've had loads of conversations, so be specific.
About the business you were talking about?
Right. I didn't tell you. Girl, I've gotten the spaces I was looking for. So
wow.
Very soon, I'll open my boutique.
That's my girl. See this place. Businesswoman.
And restaurants. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. I'm very happy.
Oh, I'm happy for you, girl.
Oh, thank you.
So hope you're going to bring me some baby, dresses and all that.
You don't have to, babe. For my godchild, my god baby, my god baby boy,
Rich
baby girl. I'm telling you, I'm going to export them from China, UK.
Wow.
In fact, India, I'll import them. Hey, it's my goddaughter, my godson, my god whatever.
Oh,
I'm going to...
it's a boy. Let's just take it like that.
Okay. So, how far with Cherry? How?
Oh, my Jerry. Yeah, he's doing well. I think he's coping. He calls me every day. Yes, he's just good, and he has been sending me money all the time.
Okay.
I wish, it's something I've been wishing for a very long time, and we're now together. So I'm so happy.
Okay.
Are you happy for me?
I'm happy for you. I'm happy that he's taking responsibilities to take care of you and his unborn baby.
Oh yeah,
I'm
sure.
happy. I'm very happy for you. But you have to be careful.
Careful for what?
Lisa, he's married.
Married?
Do you want to ruin his marriage?
Oh.
Be careful, okay?
Oh, so I know he loves me, so I don't care. I don't care about that marriage.
Okay.
I was there before she came, so he's still my man, and I'm the right person for him. I'm just perfect for him.
Yes, just be careful. Jerry is married. Don't do anything to ruin his marriage, okay?
Someone I've been dreaming to have back. And he's finally with me. And you want me to joke with this kind of issue? Girl.
Okay.
Hey!
I surrender. Just be careful.
Oh, I hear you. I hear you, madam.
I'm hungry.
See, I'm just feeling dizzy. So you just get me some.
I should go and prepare.
Oh yeah, no.
Spicy, right?
Treat me special
Spicy.
now.
All right.
A mother to be, oh. Oh my God.
My brother, sometimes my guilty conscience kills me whenever I'm in the house and she calls. I need to sometimes mute the call. Sometimes I need to reject it. But it might be that she might be in need of me. I don't know what to do. My guilty conscience keeps on killing me.
This Lisa... This Lisa girl is becoming unbearable.
I don't know what to do. I don't know. So, Mastermind, what advice?
Why you still there? You be clear. Hey.
As a what? Please.
Clear.
You are going too far.
Hey.
You are going too far.
Lisa dear. Okay. Why don't you change how you save their name to maybe meat pie seller?
Meat pie, a male can never sell meat pie. Definitely, it should be a female. Why don't I change it to temperature?
Temperature?
Of course.
How can temperature be calling you as late as 11?
Because as soon as the call comes in.
Such a chill drink.
Hello, guys.
Hi, babe.
Food is ready.
Well, we'll be joining very soon.
Alrighty.
Okay.
I'm getting married soon.
What were you staring at? What were you staring at? Tell me.
Oh, nothing. Like the hairstyle.
None of the hairstyle. Come on. You can do it. No. Something wrong. No. You have to. No.
You want to try something for Christ's sake?
Hi, Lisa. Wow. What a surprise.
Yeah. I miss you.
Like, me, I miss you so much.
As I said.
Make yourself comfortable.
Right, thank you.
What do you care for, by the way?
Oh, I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yes. Oh my God.
What a surprise. You never told me you'd be coming over.
Oh yeah, I just thought of surprising you. As I said on phone, I'm coming to take some money and buy the baby things and also go to the antenatal.
But how is my wonderful baby bouncing doll?
It's doing well, I guess.
Kicking, right?
Yeah.
I don't want she, I want he. He's doing great, right?
Okay, I'll just say he, yeah.
I want
the next one will be a she.
I want Julia. I want him to look like me.
No, me.
Me, looking handsome.
Really?
Yes.
So are you trying to tell me I'm not beautiful?
Oh, of course, you 100%. I mean, looking at your vital status, from head to toe, you qualify for everything. Not even talk of what is behind you. Maybe your
Stop.
You see, when you are giving me that donkey style, you see, it's like I own the whole world. Not to talk of Ghana is going. Just by the way. So, how much do you care for?
Let's say maybe 2,000.
2,000. Oh my God! 2,000.
Oh yeah. Why is it much?
Of course, come on, baby.
Okay. Oh, I'm just kidding. 200 cedis.
Isn't that too small too?
Oh, it's okay.
What I'm gonna do, let me give you 600 Ghana cedis.
Wow.
Yes, you order for both. The driver will wait for you till you're done with everything. Then you go back to the house.
Oh, thank you.
Want you to stress yourself under this hot sun.
Kind of right.
That's great.
Oh. Thank you.
The issue is that I don't know what really happened, but I love you so much. I love you.
Love you.
I'm ever ready to give you what you want.
Oh.
Oh my God.
So,
Mm-hmm.
I'm waiting for the guy to come, so I'll be leaving very soon.
Oh, okay, no problem.
Nice. Wife. I came to show you something, so you no problem. I'll take my.
There should be a problem. You came to me, right? So let's talk. Whatever it is, let's communicate.
I came to show you something, but it's all fine. Have you been served?
Oh, yes.
Would you like water?
No, Jones, what's really brought you here? Just tell me.
I'll come back. There's enough of it. I'll come back. Jesus. Okay, so our wife.
It's so funny, so funny.
Hi.
It's your friend.
That is just by the way. I'm sorry, whatever it cost, I beg you, please forgive me.
It's okay. So I'll just...
You'll be leaving. You'll be taking a leave. Right. Oh my God. Leave that. I'm gonna do that myself. I'm enjoying you. Shh.
Missing all this for years.
I'm coming back. I'm coming back for it.
Okay, so I have to just try to be careful.
Yeah. So I love enjoying your back whenever you are going.
Baby, stop. Please stop. I'm hitting the baby. Baby, I'm tired.
Why?
Oh my God.
Are you sure?
I'm so tired.
Come on. That is good of you.
You want to kill me?
Why will I kill? I'll always love you instead.
We're hurting Junior.
No, I was rather giving Junior the good and better vitality to make my baby strong, handsome.
See, the leg was here.
Wow. Oh my God, great.
I miss you.
I miss you more. I miss you more. Thank you so much.
Thank you too.
Finally, we are back again.
Oh yeah. I'm so happy.
Great memories. I love you.
Oh, I've been missing a lot and I can't let you go.
That is why I'm back. So, it's good we are back.
Oh yeah. I always want to have you all by myself.
Oh my God.
Jerry.
Jones?
No. Tell me, what do you really mean?
Trust me, what I'm only telling you is I went there to water my flower. That's all. Nothing much. Nothing more.
No. Don't tell me you are falling for your ex.
Then that is what I'm experiencing as I speak to you now. Look at her. Look at her vital statistics. You can imagine, why wouldn't I fall? It's after I decided to kill her, you advised me not to. Because she was carrying my baby. I needed to respect your decision.
Jerry, please don't tag me with this. No, so you mean I'm the main cause of you both reconciling? Is that what you're trying to mean?
Oh, yes. Yes. Jones, you invited me to witness a birthday party, and I did. And then what?
Oh, okay. So I'm the devil here now, right? Oh.
Come on, don't be angry.
Oh.
I was only kidding.
Fine.
I'm really sorry.
Fine, I get it.
Oh God. What is actually happening to my marriage? My husband has changed so much. God. What is going on? Have I wronged him by any way? If it's so, then why is he not voicing it out? Oh God, please give me the strength to handle this. What do I do? What do I do? Who should I even talk to? Oh, Jerry, my darling. God, please help me. Father, help me. I'm so confused. I don't even know what to do. I only look up to you, God. Oh, God.
Okay. Right. Perfect. Okay, fine, no problem. No problem. I hear you. Yes. Everything will be fine. I mean, come on, you should understand. You should understand. Stop the talking that you are doing and understand what I'm talking about. Oh my God. I'm fine. Okay, fine, no problem. But bye for now.
Honey.
Yes.
Do you realize of late you've changed?
As in what?
You've been making secret calls. When you go to work, you don't come early. How you love me. You don't love me that way anymore. Like how we used to play, how you touch me. It seems you don't fancy me anymore. Honey, is everything alright?
Of course, everything is perfect, right? But it's rather unfortunate I can't do love to marry woman of your choice, of your caliber.
What did you just say?
Of course, you heard me. I can't make love to a barren woman.
Honey, you called me barren. Honey. What have I done to deserve this? You called me barren.
Well, am I lying or what? For the past 4 or 5 years, you've not given birth to me. What are you trying to insinuate? Huh? What are you trying to insinuate?
You make me do unnecessary sex which I'm not even prepared to do. All in the name of trying to have a baby. Trying to have a happy baby. I take unnecessary medicines.
Honey, please stop it. Please, hurting me more. Stop it.
If you want to love you, if you want my love to increase, it's better you need to have a baby for me, or else life goes on like this.
Shine. I've been here for a while now, but you've said nothing. So, what's wrong with you?
Sarah. Things are falling apart. Sarah, can you believe that? My husband called me barren.
What?
Yes. My husband looked me in my eyes and called me barren.
How?
Is it my fault we can't have a child?
Shine, listen to me.
Honey.
Hi, good evening.
Hello, welcome.
Thank you. Hi.
Honey, this is my friend, Sarah.
Hi.
Hi.
Good to see you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Jerry.
I'm Sarah.
Sarah, that's my husband.
Oh, he's handsome.
Come on.
Honey, is it drizzling?
Yes, it was drizzling when I got to Manhattan West Street.
Okay. Honey,
Yeah.
I'll catch up with you soon.
No problem.
Okay.
Shine.
Sarah, I really love my husband, but I'm losing him.
I know, but don't let this get to you. I mean, has it crossed his mind that he could be the problem? You know, it takes two to make a baby. He could also be the problem. So don't let this get to you. Relax, okay? Try and go to the hospital for checkups and all that. Okay?
And I'll try.
Please do that. Yeah, stop crying. Stop crying. Your eyes and all that. Stop crying, okay?
I will.
Okay. It's almost 7 p.m. I should get going. Traffic.
Sweetheart.
I'll text you when I get home.
Okay, thank you.
Sarah, stop beating yourself up, okay?
I'll be fine, don't worry.
Clear your tears.
You know I'm a strong woman.
I know. I'll text you when I get home.
Oh my God. Melissa, trust me. You are a bit naughty.
Come on.
Yeah, you have the other side of me. Help you. Yes. Majestically. Good.
You know my time is getting due, so I don't know if pregnancy is so stressful like that. Like
You are going to receive a very nice, bouncing baby boy who looks just like me.
I know, right?
I must be going. Why?
Oh, nothing. Yes, life. I miss you.
I miss you more. Wow.
I miss you.
You want me to say that again?
All right.
I hear you.
My waist.
Sorry. You know, you were receiving it from the backside, so definitely you end up getting some price. Talk to me.
Oh, but you said you're leaving. Why?
Why won't I? Oh, I came just the night.
Just one day is not enough. You're supposed to spend more time with us now.
What we're going to do now is give me next week. I'm going to spend 1 full week living with you.
Are you sure?
Of course. You know, sometimes she also complains.
You're always spending time with her. You don't want to come to my place. You know now Junior needs you every day, so you'll be giving him kiss and all that.
Let me get.
Oh my God.
So, I must be going. Come on, look at you. This way.
Okay. What will you buy for us?
What do you want?
Hello? Cool. What's up? Hey, this girl and money. I said I love money, but you did. Hey! Hmm? Oh, okay. I hear. So when are you visiting? Alright. Okay. Eh, do you know something? I want to tell you something very interesting. I'm even surprised though. Do you know Jerry came here? He just left Kra. Yeah. When he came, I was shocked. Come and see how he was treating me nice. And then my baby. And I was like, Then he brought me a lot of things. Even we bought some goods for the baby and all that. Then he gave me like 3,000 Ghana cedis to do shopping. Yeah. Yes. Girl. I'm just shocked. The way he's spoiling me. Hey, I don't know he can show love like this, so. Hey. Yes, girl. You know I deserve it, okay? Yeah. Why? Oh, okay. So please, I'll be expecting your call. Call me right now because I have a lot to tell you. Oh, he just left, yeah.
Shine. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for keeping you waiting.
No problem. You called for a meeting.
Yes. For the first time, I think this is the right time I must show you genuine love. Shine.
But you're always showing me genuine love.
I know, but this time is different. I remember how you convinced your father to pay my final year tuition fees after I lost my dad. Shine, I will never forget what you did for me back then. I will forever be grateful.
Oh, thank you. Why are you making me sad? Wipe your tears. Come on.
Do you remember the story I told you the first day I visited your home?
Story.
About the guy who is still in love with his ex? When a friend called me.
Yes, I remember that story.
Good. I've done some investigations.
Okay.
And I can boldly say that your husband is cheating on you.
Sarah, please. If there's a prank, please stop this. Some jokes are very expensive.
Shine.
Stop this.
I knew you would say this. Your husband, Jerry, is cheating on you. He's having an affair.
My Jerry.
Shine, you don't believe me. Why would I say something like...
Your prank wouldn't work on me.
Shine! So, you want proof? You want evidence? So you think I will make such accusation without no evidence or proof?
Okay.
All right.
So where
you want proof?
Yes.
Okay.
How can you be pranking me like this?
Really? He brought you baby products and added you 3,000 Ghana cedis. Wow. You've really gotten...
Did she mention my husband?
You've really gotten around your fingers, isn't it? Okay. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Please take it easy, okay? Take it easy. Take your time.
Since when have you known this?
Since
when have you known this? Sarah!
Shine, forgive me. I'm sorry. Please. I'm sorry.
How could you?
I'm sorry, Shine. I was caught between two friends. I didn't know what to do. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Shine, I'm sorry. Please. Sorry. Please forgive me. I didn't know what to do. Please. I'm sorry. Take it easy. I know how you feel. I'm sorry. Please. Okay. Please. Sorry. I know no amount of sorry can repair the damage. I'm sorry. Please. Forgive me.
Jones, I thought you are Jerry's best friend since childhood. And so, you want the best for him. But your motive was to destroy his marriage.
Shine. I don't know what you are talking about.
Jones, you know what? You lied to me. Oh yeah. Don't give me that glance. You lied to me.
I still don't know what you are really talking about.
You told me you and Jerry were stuck in the office. And so you guys have to sleep over at your place. Not knowing you were only pushing him to be having copulations with his ex. How could you?
Shine, I've said it a million times. I just don't know what you are talking about.
Jones, you know what? Remember, what goes around comes back around.
Jerry, pick up Jerry. Jerry, pick up Jerry. So does that mean she knows all your moves but I have decided not to inform you?
Trust me. Sometimes you look at me from another angle which it really baffles me. But
then why don't you just tell her the truth? Then apologize to her. Maybe she would listen to you and forgive you.
My brother, it's not easy. I am telling you, it's not easy. Voicing this issue out. Lisa calling.
Okay.
Hi, babe. Hi. Yeah? What? The baby's coming. Oh my God. Whoa. Okay. Where are you at the moment? All right. Then what we'll do is I'm with Jones here. Let me let Jones come and pick you up. Then I'll meet you at the labor ward, right? Okay. All right. I love you, baby. I love you. My brother, I will only need your services. Please, if you don't mind, can you please use my car? Pick her up, go to the hospital. Once I also go home and prepare some money and then catch up you there.
No problem.
All right, okay. Thank you so much.
Let's be fast then. Go.
Sir.
Sir, are you crying?
I want to cry.
Sir, why are you crying?
I want to cry.
Okay, stop crying.
I don't know what to do.
Shiny, stop crying, okay? Mama, wait, okay? Stop crying, okay?
Okay, I'll be waiting for you.
Okay, I'm on my way. I'll be there soon.
Okay.
Stop crying.
Honey, I need to talk to you.
About what?
How could you? Honey, how could you do this to me?
I mean, what have I done?
You've been pregnant with another woman, knowing that I'm your wife.
I know nothing about what you're talking about.
Honey, why? What did I do to you?
What are you trying to insinuate?
How could you do this?
Give me away, man. Let me.
Jerry! Jerry, talk to me!
Why all this precious? Listen, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Get up, please. Shane, get up. Shine. 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 Are you kidding me? Get up, Shine. Get up. What is the water doing? That's my call. Yeah. Hello, Jones. Jones. There is fire in my house. There is a very big fire in my house. Yes. Where are you at the moment? No. What is the position at the hospital too? Was it she or he? Had the boy, wonderful. But where are you at the moment? Please, I need you right over. Please come right over. I need you badly, bro. I need you.
Hello. Shine. I'm here. Shine. I'm here. Shine. What have you done? What have you done?
I can explain.
What have you done?
I can explain. No. Yeah, Jules, it's good you are here.
Don't you know the house was on fire?
Just think about what I've caused. Shane is gone.
What have you done?
It wasn't my fault, Jones. She was giving me unnecessary pressure, and lo and behold, too, I needed to get some money and rush up to the hospital.
Jerry, you've killed her.
She's dead.
Jerry, this is your temper.
Hey! So what are we going to do now?
I don't know. Okay, let's find a way and let's carry her out of this place.
And believe me or not, her friend came to witness it. Her friend Sarah. She was here a few minutes ago. She left.
Was that why she was looking at me just like that without even accepting to return my greetings?
What, you saw her when you were coming?
Yes.
Then that is the problem. So what are we going to do now? No, I don't know. She forced me to do it.
No, don't say that. Don't say that. You are a man. You should control your temper, please. Let's find a way.
What are we going to do now?
Let's carry and take her outside, please.
Then I'll do some best spread and I'll best shoot.
Be fast! Be fast! What do you want it for?
Please, do not touch me. Officer, be the hand, bring him. Next time, you wouldn't do this thing again. Let's go. Let's go.
No, you should understand.
You wouldn't take it easy with you.